Hey artists, in this quick tip, I'll show you how to instantly switch between painting and erasing in Substance Painter. No menu diving needed. When you're painting, you can swap between paint and eraser modes using your number keys. Press 1 for the paint tool and 2 for the eraser tool. This shortcut keeps your workflow fast and fluid, perfect when you're refining small details. If you're using a Wacom tablet, there's an even faster way. Just flip your pen. The top nib automatically switches to eraser mode, so you can paint with one side, erase with the other, just like using a real pencil. So remember, press 1 for paint, 2 for eraser, or just flip your pen if you're on a Wacom. It's a small shortcut that saves a ton of time while texturing.